So when you hear the words digital assets, what comes to mind for you? For most people, it's Bitcoin. But what if I told you that's only a small part of the story? So in the next 2 to 3 minutes, I'm going to show you what digital assets really are and why it matters for your wealth. So there are 3 main types of digital assets you need to know about. First, you have Bitcoin. Think of it like digital gold. It's scarce, it's a store of value, and it's the original digital asset. Second, you have altcoins. These are alternative cryptocurrencies like Ethereum, Solana, or Cardano. They have a different purpose. Some are for smart contracts, some are for gaming, and some are for decentralized finance. And third, you have tokens. So these are digital representatives of ownership or access. Think of them like a digital ticket to a concert or a digital share of a property. So let's break this down with some simple analogies. So if Bitcoin is like rare digital gold, then altcoins are like different models of cars. A Toyota is different from a Tesla, which is different from a Ferrari. They all get you from A to B, but they all have different features, performance, and purposes. And tokens are like digital tickets. A ticket to a movie is different from a ticket to a football game, which is different from a plane ticket. They all grant you access, but to different things. So why does this matter for you as a property investor or SMSF holder? Because digital assets represent a new asset class. Understanding the difference between Bitcoin, altcoins, and tokens is the first step to investing safely and intelligently. Because not all digital assets are created equal. Some of them are for long-term wealth preservation, some are for growth, and some are for utility. And knowing the difference is how you build a diversified, resilient portfolio. So in our next video, we'll explore the technology that makes all of this possible, blockchain. We'll break it down in plain English. If you want to learn more, download my free book, Add an Introduction for the Cautious Investor at darrenbarch.com/book. See you in the next video.